Hi everyone, it's Tracy. This is my cat Whiskey. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few of the products that I've discovered along the way. They're products that make your life so much easier if you have a cat, and I think everyone who has a cat should have them. And if you know of some products or tricks, let me know in the comments below, because it's never easy with these little fur babies, is it? All right, let's get started. Cats really feel safe when they're up high. There are different brands and models available. Just watch out for the ones that have been sprayed with a really smelly paint that never goes away and gives you a headache. The cat spends a lot of time up here looking out the window, and if she's naughty and she goes on the counter or the stove or the kitchen table, we put her here and we say, stay here, and she knows. If you go looking around, you'll see they're all different kinds, different prices. And the same thing goes for the little mat that you put right outside the litter box when they step out. If you have a cat, you must have one of these, or the litter goes all over the house. This will really make your life a lot easier. Definitely a must-have. Next is a brush that I paid way too much money for, and it's really not very good at all. It's really much better if you get one of these little black combs from the dollar store. It gets all the knots out of their fur, and it does a really great job. Don't waste your money. This next item is just a little mat that I got at Walmart for a few bucks, and you just put it under the food bowl so the food doesn't go all over the place and it doesn't slide around. It's a good little thing. You just wipe it off and it's easy to clean. It's great. Also from the dollar store, these little metal bowls, they're better than the painted, pretty, different ones because they could have lead or different things. They go in the dishwasher. They're really great. Next, Whiskey kind of likes to eat a lot. So we had to get her this bowl. This bowl is to slow down her eating because she has to reach in with her little paw. It's really easy to clean. The little pieces come off. It doesn't slide around because of that gray mat around it. We try and give her the healthy food that she doesn't really like so much, and we put it in this bowl so she doesn't bother to eat unless she's really, really hungry. She's lost a little bit of weight from it, but she has a long way to go. Oh, no offense, Whiskey. The next item is this really cute bag. We used to carry her around a lot in when she was a kitten, not so much now. We used to take her to do errands, and it has this really nice, easy open on the top with a Velcro. There's a little diaper down there. She never had an accident. I guess I can get those out of there. And there's another little opening on the side. You just have to be careful because the cat can get really hot in there, so you don't want to go very far with it. It's really a nice bag. To be honest with you, this little sleeping cushion, she never really liked it, so. Next is another thing to carry your pet around in. You can use it if you're going on a trip, but I would never put my cat in cargo, but now you're allowed to carry your cat on the plane with you. This is a really handy hard plastic carrier. It opens on the top and it opens in the front as well. We only use it when Whiskey goes to stay with my daughter. She lives 5 minutes away. So again, there are all different brands, different kinds, different sizes. So you just need to find the one that suits you and your cat. You want to get in and show everyone? Okay. Next, I got this little nail cutter because it was such an ordeal to go to the vet. What I do is I wait until she's asleep and I creep up really carefully and I just carefully making sure I don't cut the neighboring toe by accident. Just cut her nails, never past the white part. If you see there's red inside, don't cut her nail there because that can really be a problem. Do your research before you try this at home and never force your pet. Next, if you never bother to pick these up, these cat treats, your cat will do anything for them. They're a great training tool. They're a great way to get the cat back in the house when you want the cat in the house. Our cat's not allowed outside alone. She has to be with us. Our neighbor actually poisons cats that goes in his yard. You know, there were raccoons. With these, she's happy to come back in the house with us. And she's microchipped. She has a collar with our name and phone number, but we still don't take any chances. Again, all different kinds, all different prices. Just go to Walmart. This is the most important one for me. I cannot stand when I walk into my house and I smell litter box. If you use the regular litter, no matter how many times you clean it out and change it, there's a smell. I can't. So this is a silica. This is more expensive than regular cat litter, but it lasts so much longer. I'm telling you, you don't smell anything. It's more expensive, but it's worth the money, and it just makes living with a cat livable. I can't do the litter smell. I can't. I won't. So even if you come right up close, right up to your cat, you won't smell it. It's the best. Just try it. If you buy all of these things in one day, of course it's going to be insane. These are products that we accumulated over the last 2 years. They really are so helpful in making it a more pleasant experience to own a cat. If you're a cat lover and you have some ideas, let me know, because sometimes it's not easy. We love our Whiskey so much, but oh my gosh, she takes a lot of energy. And that'll be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.